In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert drop-down chips in Google Sheets. These colorful, compact selectors are perfect for standardizing entries like status, category, or stage, and they make your spreadsheet easier to read at a glance. Start by opening Google Sheets and the spreadsheet where you want to work. Click the exact cell where you want the drop-down to live. You can always copy the setup to other cells later, but begin with a single cell so you can fine-tune the options. At the top of the screen, go to the Insert menu. In the list that appears, choose Dropdown. This opens a configuration panel where you'll define what choices appear in your chip and how they look. You'll see default entries you can rename, remove, or expand. Click into the first option and type the label you want. For example, you might use student, employed, and unemployed to track someone's work status. Add each as its own option, one per line in the editor. Keep labels short, clear, and consistent so they're easy to scan and filter later. If you need more options, use the Add button in the panel to create them and drag to reorder if the sequence matters. Next, assign a color to each option. Click the color picker beside an option and choose a shade that matches its meaning. For instance, a calm blue for student, a green for employed, and a neutral gray for unemployed. The color you pick becomes part of the chip, helping you spot patterns instantly. Aim for distinct colors with good contrast and avoid using only red and green if your team includes colorblind viewers. When your list and colors look right, click Done. You'll see a small chip appear in the cell. Click the chip to open the menu and select a value. Try switching between the options to confirm the colors and labels work the way you expect. If you ever need to update the choices or colors, select the cell, open the same drop-down editor, and adjust your list. Once you're happy with the setup, you can copy or fill it down to other cells just like regular formatting, keeping your data entry consistent across the sheet. That's all it takes to create clean, color-coded drop-down chips in Google Sheets. Open your sheet, select a cell, insert, drop-down, define your options, pick colors, and click Done. With that, your spreadsheet becomes clearer, faster to use, and much easier to manage.